Best hearing loss supplement that's really work. Hearing loss is a serious problem, and not only in seniors. Exposure to loud noises, head trauma, ear infections, poor genetics, and certain medications, all these stressors may worsen your hearing or even leave you deaf. Most people believe that once you've started losing hearing, there's no way back. However, recent discoveries combined with gifts from Mother Nature give anyone a chance. Clarisilpro dietary supplement is claimed to restore hearing and protect it from damage. Clarisilpro is an all-in-one natural hearing formula that is safe to use for the Navajo people to get rid of that hearing condition in a few days. This supplement includes all natural ingredients that help in restoring your hearing issues without the need of drugs, expensive surgeries, or dangerous workouts. Clarisilpro is a new revolutionary formula for all those who are suffering from hearing impairment. Clarisilpro works by providing the ears with a unique formula that enhances the function of hair cells in the ears and is located in the inner ear. Their function includes receiving and transmitting incoming signals to the brain, which is only possible in the presence of a specific protein. Clarisilpro is described as a 100% all-natural and safe formula that aims to restore one's hearing. Clarisilpro ingredients. Number 1 Mucuna Pruriens. This ingredient is rich in effectiveness of protein activation and reduces the risk of brain disease. Number 2 L-Theanine. It is a traditionally used protein activation blend that helps in regrowth of hair cells. Also, it improves the immune system and cognitive ability. Number 3 Griffonia Simplicifoli. This ingredient is powerful ingredients extracted from an African plant that include 5-HTTP. Number 4 Skullcap. It is a perennial herb that includes many surprising benefits in lowering cholesterol levels, nervous tension, allergies and hardening of arteries. Number 5 Hawthorn. This ingredient is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that help in reducing excessive hair loss and decreases anxiety. The formula is perfectly natural. That's why you may not worry about its safety. The supplement has zero adverse effects, and it works for anyone, no matter if you are 30 or 80. It's recommended taking the supplement for at least 3 months. Even better, if you take it for 6 months or longer, this will guarantee that your hearing will be well protected in the future too. Each bottle contains 30 capsules. That's a 1-month supply, as you should take 1 pill daily. Have it with a glass of water. There are no specific recommendations on nutrition, you can eat whatever you want. You may make an order on the official website. Their official website link is available in this video description. Also, the producer offers 60 days money-back guarantee. If for whatever reason you're displeased with the supplement, send the bottles back and get full refund. People tend to think that hearing loss is in most cases irreversible. Clarisilpro supplement proves this theory wrong. It can reverse the damage caused by age, trauma, infection, medicines, stress, and other factors. Potent components will safely restore your hearing so that you could enjoy your life again, without pain, embarrassment, surgery, and extreme money investments. Feel free to try it right now.